Dave from DR Jewellery Design. Putting up a video about making a set of stacked rings. Seeing that's supposedly a trend happening at the moment, so I'll just get straight into it. So the first one, we'll make 4 rings that are stackers. First one, we'll look for some wire that is 1.5 mil thick. Mark out a bit of metal here. Can you see that? With a hammer, I'm going to start forming it to this ring mandrel and using big flat hits. Okay. I got the first textured on this bit of silver. So the second ring we're making is a twisted shank, which is a square wire 1.15 mil by 1.15 square. And in order to do this, I need to put this into something like a drill or a flex shape. Oops. And grab it with a pair of pliers and get a twist going. Let's just see if you can see that. I'll zoom it in. Okay. There we go. Nice twist. Take it out of the jaws on the flex shaft. Can use a battery drill, cordless drill, something like that. Let's see, right here. Twist. There's a few rough edges there, but I feel it's a bit sharp edged there, so I might run it through the rolling mill in a minute just to flatten it out. There we go. How about that? Add the texture. And I can turn it closer to the sharp corner on the hammer, just to give it a little crease. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, I'll measure this one out. This is the fourth one. So I'll mark it to there. Put a little mark here, just so I know roughly how far to planish up to. And now I'll be using the domed end of the hammer. So get it going around. No worries. Now I got to make all the metal round and fit to the shank, cut to size. So I'll do that. Cool little gizmo. Which is a special set of pliers. Looks like that. I can round it up, get it ready for cutting. first one. And I go to check my size. Got this all ready to cut. So I'll put this on my, cut both ends. I got it set just right. Okay, but this is going to be a really nice tight join, so I can always put the solder on the cut through. I'll show you what I've just put on my magnifiers so I can see, because it's quite small for my old eyes. So I want that join to be perfect. Small wire. There we go. That's really good joining. Make sure this is done on the flats. That one's quite stiff. Wire, so it goes together much easier, or at least it's thicker wire, thus it doesn't bend on you when you're trying to cut it. Because these little rings I used selling at the markets, they don't have to be perfect. So they're quite inexpensive rings, so you don't treat them the same as you would a really expensive ring. So that you do like to have a nice solder join. And the same here. Let me just put my glasses on. Cut through again. Actually, May seems to do the best for getting the two ends of the metal together. a bit fiddly, but you can, after you solder, bang them together a bit with a hammer, but it's best to get them to line up as best you can before you solder. Okay, second ring. Now, what do we have here? Oh, that's that sharp edged one. That one's got quite a... Let's just spin this one up, making sure you keep the pattern to the outside. Let's see, this one, nice little set of pliers as a replacement for what they call ring bending pliers, which always seems to mark the metal. So I don't use that anymore for ring bending. I like using these sorts of pliers. This type of plier, you can find them on eBay. Around, put on my mandrel. Basically take it up to close to 7. A little bit under is fine, because you can always pop it up a bit, stretch it up a bit. Okay. Third one. That's not too bad. There. Now, we have the twist. As I'm starting running my fingers down this one, it's got some sharp edges. Some of it is because it's slightly splitting. You can always get a bit of sandpaper. It's a wet dry just to sort of knock off some of those sharp edges. I think it would be a much nicer feel if we were to run it through the rolling mill just to flatten the top and the bottom. I reckon that will be the goer.